Hi friends, I am Sirisha working as a PGT Mathematics in TTWRJC Girls Vaira. Today I am going to discuss cyclic quadrilateral. So draw a circle. So A points A, B, C, D are the points. So join these points AB, BC, CD, AD. So A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. The vertices are A, B, C, D are the vertices of a quadrilateral. So means the vertices A, B, C, D are lie on the same circle. The quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. Let us do some activity. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. In this, we measure the angles by using protractor. First one, the angle. We measure the angle A. Here, angle A. Angle A is, first of all, 80, 90, 94, 95. The angle A is 95 degrees. And another angle, angle B is 80 degrees. 80 degrees. And angle C is 85 degrees. 85 degrees. Angle D is this is 90, 100. So angle D is 100 degrees. So here angle A equals 95 degrees, angle B equal to 80 degrees, angle C equal to 85 degrees, angle D equal to 100 degrees. Angle A plus angle C equal to 95 degrees plus 85 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Angle B equal to 80 degrees, angle D equal to 100 degrees. Angle B plus angle D equal to 80 degrees plus 100 degrees, that equal to 180 degrees. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, taking another cyclic quadrilateral. So I also measure that angles. Angle A equal to 115 degrees, angle B equal to 70 degrees, angle C equal to 65 degrees, angle D equal to 110 degrees. So angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degrees, angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degrees. And another cyclic quadrilateral. So I also measure all angles. So angle A equal to 100 degrees, angle B equal to 75 degrees, angle C equal to 80 degrees, angle D equal to 105 degrees. So angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degrees, angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degrees. So all the angles are here. So means first cyclic quadrilateral measurements are measures. So angle A plus angle C equal 180 degrees, angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degrees. Second cyclic quadrilateral, angle A plus angle C equal 180 degrees, angle B plus angle D equal 180 degrees. So third cyclic quadrilateral, so angle A plus angle C equal 180 degrees, angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degrees. So in a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, means angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. So we can prove it by using theorem. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. In this theorem given ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. To prove opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Means in a cyclic quadrilateral, angle A and angle C are opposite angles, angle B and angle D are opposite angles. To prove angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degrees, angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degrees. Construction. In the cyclic quadrilateral, center O, join OA and OC, join OA and OC. Proof. So we know that one statement, that is so AB is an arc, C is any point on the remaining circle. The statement is an angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is double the angle subtended by it at the remaining part of a circle. Means, for example, this is a x, this is a 2x. Means angle AOB. Angle AOB is equal to 2 into angle ACB. Using this statement, here this is a angle Y, this is a angle X. Means, so angle Y equal to 2 into angle D. That implies angle D equal to 1 by 2 into angle Y. This is the equation 1. And similarly, angle X equal to 2 into angle B. Angle X equal to 2 into angle B. That implies angle B equal to 1 by 2 angle X. This is equation 2. Adding these two equations 1 and 2, we get angle B plus angle D equal to 1 by 2 into angle X plus 1 by 2 into angle Y. So the common term is 1 by 2 into angle X plus angle Y. Here in a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of angle X and angle Y equal to 360 degrees. Means this is a complete angle. This is a complete angle, means angle is 360 degrees. So 1 by 2 into angle plus angle Y equal to 360 degrees. 360 degrees. So that equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Hence, proved. Let us see one example. In the figure, angle A equal 120 degrees, then angle C equal. So angle A equals 120 degrees. Means in a cyclic quadrilateral, so opposite angles are supplementary. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degrees, where angle A equal to 120 degrees. 120 degrees plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Angle C equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Angle C equal to 60 degrees. Thank you.